INTERKARA is the exclusive distributor of the Mitsubishi forklift factory, has been working in the Russian market for more than 20 years. The stability and reliability of the company is confirmed by many years of experience and the successful passage of economic crisis in the country, which had the opposite effect. Instead of a decline in financial indicators, they led to success and flourishing due to component management, optimization and preservation of the team. It was possible to scale the business and expand the horizons of the enterprise. The INTERKARA company provides a full range of services for enterprises: the sale of forklifts, attachments, self-propelled stackers, hydraulic trolleys, diesel, gasoline and electric motors, consumables and spare parts for loaders, and also provides delivery to the regions, warranty and post-warranty service. The company has its own engineering and technical service, which ensures the smooth operation of equipment. And also, in all cities where the equipment is presented, partner service centers for warranty service work. Competent and experienced specialists of the INTERKARA company help customers to choose the most suitable forklift for their request and equip it with attachments for smooth operation at your facility. MITSUBI is a forklift truck with accompanied base of Japanese equipment. Loaders are equipped with Mitsubishi S4S, Nissan K21, K25 engines, and other reliable equipment. INTERKARA has been working with the Mitsubishi brand since 2018 and is the exclusive representative of the plant in Russia. This is a Chinese factory that produces equipment using Japanese technology, which is fully adapted to the Russian consumer. Over the years of operation of forklifts in our country, the INTERKARA company has collected feedback and wishes from customers. The plant's response so flexibly and quickly to the dealer's offers that today buyers of Mitsubishi loaders simply have no complaints. Loaders are not expensive. They serve for a long time. They are convenient to use. They do not differ in any way from Japanese analogs, but they are much cheaper. Thanks to the well-coordinated work of a reliable dealer represented by INTERKARA, equipment maintenance is carried out in a short time by experienced specialists, and spare parts are always available in warehouses. I really like working with Chinese manufacturing companies. They are very flexible, creative and implement any client's wish in the shortest possible time. The company gives a 5-year warranty. Why do we give a 5-year warranty and how do we do it? Firstly, we are confident in the quality of our products, and secondly, the factory closely cooperates with our spare part department and is constantly close to online warranty issues. We keep a large number of spare parts in stock, not only small parts, but also including engines and axles, boxes for the prompt closure of warranty issues. When the equipment breaks down, it starts working at a loss, and our task is to minimize the client's costs. There is no need to wait long for equipment, spare parts and additional equipment. There is always a large selection of loaders of different capacities and more than 20 much options. Long forks and extension cords, cabins with heaters, carriages with side shift and fork positioner functions, grips for rolls, bales and barrels. It is possible to purchase forklifts and other equipment in the INTERKARA company with the help of various financial instruments, leasing, credit and installments from the company's partners. We are confident for the quality of the supplied equipment, because Mitsubishi is the technique that is fighting for the first place in terms of assembly quality among the world leaders.